Guys, we're at Ara's Shawarma here in Encino, California. And of course, we have to start off with dessert. We got the Dubai strawberries, guys, and the Dubai chocolate bar. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness, guys. It's got the crust pistachios, pistachio cream, the Dubai chocolate, and these strawberries were just freshly cut. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Check that out, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Amazing. Oh, look at that. And my bib just fell off. We're going for it, baby. Nice and thick. Check that bar out. Look at that Dubai chocolate. Oh, baby. Oh, that's good. Good stuff, guys. I'm glad I started with dessert. Phenomenal.